Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to learn about how to assign MFA to AWS user. First, you have to go to the AWS Management Console. You can Google it. You click on AWS Management Console and sign into your console. Now you have to put on your account ID, username and password. This account doesn't have any MFA enabled, so it will give me direct access to my console. Now after going to my console, I'll look for IAM. Here you can go to users and select your user. In your user section, you can look for security credentials. Remember, the MFA has to be enabled by the admin, otherwise you will not be able to access this feature. Now you have to give on your MFA device name. You have a couple of options for MFA device. I'll go with Authenticator app for my tutorial. Now I'll select my Authenticator app, click on next. Here you can see QR code to sign in to your Authenticator app and enroll your MFA. You can click on show secret key. Here I will be using Google Authenticator. I'll click on show secret key and QR code. Then I'll go to on my phone, go to Google Authenticator, scan the QR code and enroll my MFA. Now it's enrolled. I have to put on two subsequent MFA code. I'll put on my first MFA code. Then I'll put on my second MFA code now. And click on Add MFA. Now it's successfully enrolled. You'll see this kind of message. Let's give it a try if it's successfully enrolled or not. So this is my learning user account. I'll sign out and I'll try to sign in again. So I'll put on my username and password now. Then here it asks for the MFA code. I'll go to on my authenticator, then put on the MFA code. After I put on my MFA code, I'll click on sign in and it has now successfully given me access to my console now. If you like my video and like my content, do like and subscribe to my channel.